Oh shit. Boost.
These are one of the cars I wanted too.
For real? Yeah.
Yeah. But not
car slash boat. I'm like, who the hell are these people? Who the hell are these people?
fucking hidden over here too.
I know. That shit is nice.
I'm sorry.
I seen this guy like coming in though.
And it's coming down, and I'm feeling it now.
Yeah, I seen him coming in. Like when his lights, I saw his lights on. It looked dope. I'm about to get a picture of this shit.
Engine work on a 240 and like what kind of
The announcers, what's your name? The whole team.
I think these are people.
Just
Alright, what's good talking to you?
Oh no, I'm still.
Oh, okay. Right off of it. They had to pay for a new paint job for the building because the first thing completely off.
What's up?
Yeah, that's another one.
Broke out the windows.
Ralph said that's round it up real fast, blew all the windows out all the cars,
Threatening me? Oh, look, it's a Supra. It's a Supra. That's how you said it?
for a second.
That's how you said it. It's a Supra.
It came from Delaware.
From Delaware? Oh, yeah. You see on Instagram? It's gone. I hate when like they don't have like shit is like dope though. Hold on. Where did he go? Did you see him? I want to talk to him. It's goddamn Supra! I'm just here. What the fuck is that? Your excuse, asshole. You said what? I see this car like all the time.
This is the first time seeing this.
Why don't you have an Instagram? Look at here, buddy.
Oh!
No, because I see this car like all the time.
It's Austin.
Austin?
Yeah, I don't know his last name though.
Love the shift knob and e-brake handle.
This shit is like sweet.
have fun.
Look at it.
That's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen.
There's some fucking big ass fucking wheels. That's what it is. This shit's dark as fuck.
Now, quick question. For the rear, is that just standard body, or is that actually wide body? That's what I thought.
Ah, told you.
I'm like, wide body or not? Because they kind of look like they're wide body.
It's a chick. Alright. I don't know who the fuck this is. Look at this shit, bro. It's fucking carbon fiber, bro. Oh, he got the steering wheel. Look at that. That shit is nice as fuck. City's going wild. Something's happening. I don't know what the fuck. Should I have park? Lambo about to go fucking wild. Yo, Cat, is this the one you were talking about? It's high. Ha! Mo power. Funny guy. Interesting. Go! Alex! Alex!
So RX-7s, you use your mind to steer them.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.